Greetings, y'all. I'm going to make a quick impromptu pasta with zucchini. Got olive oil, olives, pesto, grape tomatoes, red pepper, cilantro, that's a zucchini, green onions, purple onion, and shrooms. So that's what we're starting with, and let me cut up everything else and we'll be back. Oh, greetings, y'all, we back. So as you can see, we got all the vegetables in. We've got the cilantro, we've got the pesto, we've got the squash, the purple onion, the green onion, got cherry tomatoes, olives, red pepper, and seasonings. We put a little bit of olive oil, nutritional yeast, chili pepper, red pepper, and black pepper. And we're gonna mix this up for our cool autumn raw vegan pasta pesto salad. One sec, we'll be back. Okay, y'all, we back. Excuse the dog. So it's all mixed up and we got our spoon. We about to smash. So this is about a medium-sized squash, 15 black olive rounds, 10 plum tomatoes, about 1/8 of a purple pepper, 1 sprig of purple onion, oh my gosh, 1 sprig of green onion, about a 1/16 or so of a red pepper, and that's it. And then we use olive oil, red pepper, chili pepper, black pepper, and a little bit of homemade pesto sauce. I'll have to do the recipe for that later. And there you have it. Takes maybe 7 minutes and then it's done. And we will talk soon. Peace.